Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, looking at kids surgical masks today. Very excited to test the Hxihan, I think is how you say it, kids mask. Bought this guy on Amazon, brand Hxihan. Got about 3,000 people who have purchased it. Material, cotton blend. I don't think so. Let's get it in the clamp room and we'll talk about all of these things. Cotton blend. Come on. So this one, it's nicely sealed. That's great. Oh, it's one of these seals that just opens. I don't love that as much. Different colors though, which is great for kids because the most important thing, as Fauci would say, is the mask that you wear. And that's the problem, is kids oftentimes don't want to wear a mask. So, oops, how embarrassing. Old mask test. I'm going to use a different clamping system than I normally do for surgical masks because kids masks are really small and it won't fit. But I'm also going to give them a little effort there and puff it out, which is more how you'd be wearing it. Ayo, ayo. And let's watch that clamp. It's a good clamp. And let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about how we're doing the Astm test that we use in America, check out that link. Now, I'm still going to judge it by the American standard, which is the Astm standard, which the lowest level is 95%. It's for kids after all. The breathability right now is 62 pascals, which is great. It's a great breathability. All right, let's look at the, the quality of these guys here. I'm going to do the, oh wow, that's great. Oh, wow. Well, I don't think it's going to come off on your face, but I'll try. They're doing the mask backwards. Ugh, I hate that. They're putting the welds on the inside. It should be on the outside because it will pull to the face a little bit better. So they're making the mask incorrectly. Oh, this mask smells like a ream of newly printed paper. Or newly, not printed, newly manufactured? I don't know. Smells like paper. Probably because of the box. So I do this thing. Kids like to pull on things. They do this. They're going to pull. I wear this all day long. That's pretty good. I think it passes the kids' pull test. Doesn't smell horrible, which is great. Pretty good construction. Good job on that. But does that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check out what the PFE machine has to say. It's the reason you're here. 95.386. Now, one thing. What was the? It was 62 pascals, which is a great breathability. This would pass as an Astm level 1 mask. That's what this machine is doing. That's why we have this incredibly expensive lab to do this test. So that's great. It's an Astm level 1 mask. If you did find this to be helpful, if you end up buying these masks on Amazon because of this listing, you can give me a like and subscribe if you want to, but I'm not asking for that. It sounded like an ask. It's not an ask. Thank you so much, and I will catch you on the next test.